Okay, now we're going to get into the Ohm's law part of this lesson. Some of the basic stuff that we deal with when we're doing the solar, and let's start with number 5, which is our kilowatt hours and how we calculate that. So kilowatt hours, you need volt times amp hours equals watt hours. Then watt hours divided by 1,000 is kilowatt hours. So calculate out question 5 is how many kilowatt hours is this battery? All right. And then we're going to go. At this point, I want you to screenshot this. This is what you need to size all the stuff, all the breakers, all the fuses, all your wire, anything that you're doing. This is the baseline for solar, and it's all math. Okay. And then there's literally 2 things that come into play with solar, and that's parallel connections and series connections. Now, when we talk about the high voltage and low voltage and parallel and series and long power runs outside with your panels and adding batteries, like this all comes into play. So this is really important, and you can see with the parallel connection, when connecting batteries and solar panels in parallel, the amps increase and the volts stay the same. Now, again, this is why you hear a lot of the people promoting the high voltage, because there is a lot of wiring going on here. But baseline is all the pluses go to this bar, all the negatives go to this bar. Question 1, what is the volts and the amps at this connection point? 3 batteries, 24 volt, 350 amp hours. Question 1. Here's our solar, 32 volt panels, 3 of them, 9 amps apiece. Question 2, we're bringing all the pluses to this bar, we're bringing all the negatives here. What is our voltage and our amps at this connection? So parallel connections, amps increase, volts stay the same. Questions 2 and 3. And we're going to move to series, and you can see how this is a lot cleaner, a lot less wires. And in a series connection for batteries and solars, when wiring, volts increase and amps stay the same. So for question 3 and 4, we have 3 12-volt batteries, 120 amp hours apiece. What is our voltage and amps at this connection? And we have 3 30-watt panels at 8 amps apiece, wired in series. What is our volts and our amps at this connection for questions 3 and 4? And then question 5 is calculate your kilowatt hours out of your 24-volt, 540 amp hour battery. This will take you pretty far. This is literally all the Ohm's law you need to put this stuff together and buy the components you need to buy to size them right for everything to work. I'm going to do another video out in the trailer with some real live IFL and how I did mine that will mirror a lot of this. But this is important stuff right here. So learn this, practice it. It's super easy. With these 2, you can figure it out with these 2 equations, right? And then these equations, you can figure all this out. So on that note, I'm going to leave this video, and we will come back for day 2 of basic solar training, live bullets out in the Larry trailer. So y'all have a great day, and I'll be back.